Hi everyone, I'm Mark from KSCAN-X. Great to see you again. In our last video, we unboxed the KSCAN-X, KSCAN-X's latest handheld wireless 3D scanner. One of the most exciting things about the KSCAN-X is its wireless capability. So in this video, I will show you how to get it connected and ready to scan. Let's start with the power setup. At the bottom of the device, there is a hidden battery compartment. And grab our battery from the case, we slide them in. And we are good to go. Next up, the router. We connect it to a power source. And use the LAN port to connect to our laptop. Now let's get our device connected. We take out the network card and plug into our device. And you can see there were two network slots for our network cards, and you can choose to use one or both. And dual cards offer extra stability, especially for high-speed data transfers. With hardware ready, let's install the software. This is the dongle. Plug into the laptop and launch the DefenSight software. Then press and hold the power button at the bottom of the scanner. And you will see the green light. That means the device is on. On both the device smart screen and DefenSight interface, you will see the KSCAN-X has successfully started up and connected wirelessly, smooth and effortless. The DefenSight is divided into three main sections: the top function bar, the left side parameter settings, and the central data display area. That's all for this video. Stay tuned, because in the next video I'll guide you through your first scan with the KSCAN-X. If you've got any questions or want to learn more, feel free to drop us an email. Thanks for watching and see you next time.